Morning everyone. So as you can tell from the title, this is day 10 of the Charlie's Nail Art advent calendars. So as you already know, I got 2. So this is the nail art one, so I'm just going to open it straight up. That is so pretty, super cute. Oh, so we have nail art water decals. So let's have a look. I need to see. Oh wow, wow. Now they are pretty. Look at them. Wow. Bring them right up. Wow. They are really, really pretty. Look at this. And the butterflies. Oh, wow. They're so pretty. Wow, so that's the water decals. Wow. They are really pretty. So let's have a look and what is in the glitter one. So are you ready? Ready? Let's have a look. Ooh. Ooh. Now it's obviously a hexagon mix, but it's like, wow, that is really, really different. I haven't got anything like that. Let me just get a quick tray and we shall have a quick look. Wow. Ooh, I'm intrigued. I don't have anything like this. Make sure I'm in frame and you can see. Ooh, wow, that's what it looks like in the bag. Wow, it's like a, yes, it's like a silver, black, and like a sort of really dark camo green. I think you can see it just there. Wow, I'm not very good at describing colours, as you know, but I don't have anything like this. Wow. Wow, maybe I should do some army nails then. Wow, what do you guys think? Wow. I definitely don't have anything like this. My camera's freaking out. I don't have anything like that at all. That's Army Chick. Wow. That is really, really different. Let me know your thoughts down below on this one. Well, I will do a quick swatch of this and I shall be right back. Okay, see you in a minute. So let's apply the top coat. Oh no, that's nice. It's really unusual. That's really unusual. Oh, I like it. It's very different. I don't have anything else like this, I have to say. So that is what the glitter mix looks like. Can you see all the different like colours? Wow. So let me just pop that in. So yeah, so in today's it was the water decals, which are really, really pretty. I love them. They're so pretty. Can't wait to use them. And we had Army Chick, which is a hexagon mix, and it's really, really nice. Certainly different. Got some like, I don't know whether it's gold or what sort of colour it is. It's really, really nice. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below on today's little gifts or whatever you want to call them. Yeah, just let me know your thoughts down below and let me know if you're going to go and buy either one of these. I'll be interested to know. And yeah, maybe an army design is in need. Maybe I haven't done one for absolutely ages. I don't remember the last time I did one, to be honest. I've no idea. I cannot remember. So again, that is the glitter mix. So that's the new product of the day. Well, the new glitter mix anyway. And yep, the new water decals. Well, thank you so much, everybody, for watching again today. And thank you if you've joined me on all the days so far. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts. Don't forget my discount code. I know I always say it. But yeah, anyway, it can be found in my description box as well as any other discount codes that I've got. And yep, hopefully you'll join me tomorrow. And I will post some pictures then. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.